vote is a very important weapon, particularly in a democratic system, right? Many people, why we started Let's Vote 5 years back, that time I was heading NVIDIA Graphics as the managing director. All of you are aware of what is NVIDIA Graphics? Is #1 graphics chip company in the world. So I was heading that company. We had all hands meeting like this, and I was addressing our employees. That time, some of our employees, they came from US. They were working in Santa Clara, and they relocated to Hyderabad. They started telling Jay, in Hyderabad, we came to Hyderabad thinking that Hyderabad, everything is good, but roads are not good, this law and order is not good, that is not good. Though it is not my concern, because there I am not supposed to take care of those issues. If there anything related to organization, I would have addressed. But still, I thought of addressing those. Before I started giving a solution, I asked everybody, how many of you got voter ID cards? Hardly few people, are not like you all, I think, very socially conscious, but our employees, unfortunately, they were not socially conscious. So more than 50% they were not having voter ID cards. Then I asked the next question, how many of you exercise your vote? Out of that 50%, only few, around 4 or 5, they said, yes, we exercised our vote. Remaining people, I asked them, why did you not use your... One gentleman, he stood up, sir, last elections, I went there to exercise my vote. There is a big queue was there. That time, the hot sun, they did not provide any shelters and all that, this thing. So in that hot sun, I thought, how long I can wait in that, this thing, so I came back. I did not. I asked the same gentleman, suppose if you have to go to a movie along with your family members of your favorite film star, Attagarintiku Dare, right? New film. So there's a big queue, and still you want to see that movie. You think that you will come home without watching that movie? He said, no, sir, I will, whatever, I will buy the ticket in the black or wait for 1 hour. I'll make sure that I watch that movie. That movie is available every day. And you can buy the DVDs, or you can go to, if not this show, maybe next show, next day, or next week, or whatever. Whereas, this opportunity comes to you once in 5 years to exercise your vote, elect your leader. If organization, if the Prime Minister of this country is great, the entire country will take care, right? Normally in the organization, what we do, if you have to recruit a manager, we have to give advertisement in the paper, tell the recruitment agencies that I want this qualification, this experience. Afterwards, several levels of interviews. After finalizing all that, this thing, then again we'll do the due diligence on him. How many organizations he worked, where all he worked. We talk to that managing director, what is his behavior in the company, is he a people person, technology person, all those things, I mean, we verify, then only we try to select even for a manager post. Whereas, for a country's head, or a MLA or a MP, who is going to change the destiny of so many lakhs of our people, we don't even verify whether he is a good person or bad person, whether he is able to, I mean, lead this country, whether he is able to provide good governance to us, or provide job opportunities, get investments for this country, take care of all the law and order problem issues. For any system, for any organization, even CIA is running, why there is a process of electing the right person to head the CIA, there is a process, right? So for every organization, the organization has to succeed, the country has to succeed, if the state has to succeed, or if the constituency has to succeed, or the city has to succeed, you need a good leader. Yatha Raja, Tata Praja. So the leader is good, rest of it automatically. So that's the reason why, I mean, when we analyzed after my, incident with NVIDIA employees, then I realized that I checked with a lot of my friends in the IT industry. Check how many people, how many employees of your company have got voter ID cards, and to my surprise, the similar situation what I experienced in my company. That's when some of the IT professionals in the city, we all thought that it's not good, because society has given us the education, right? You're all here because of what? Your parents, because of the society. For example, people who study in IITs or prestigious institutions, the government spent a lot of money than the student. Lot of money goes from the government. So the society contribution is there for all of us to get the good education, good job, good infrastructure and all that this thing. As a respectable citizen, what is that you are supposed to do as a citizen of this country? What is your first responsibility to discharge as a citizen of this country in a democratic system? Electing a right leader.